Certainly one of the first things that comes to mind when you want to buy a gun is how long will this last? What if it jams while I'm in the rain? Could this gun handle the temperature? Can it handle the pressures of continuous firing? These questions pop up because durability is an essential point to consider when it comes to guns. We don't want you wasting your hard-earned cash on something that doesn't last you, so today we'll be revealing the top 5 guns with outstanding durability. You won't want to miss out on it. You should also know that you only find these kinds of videos right here, so if you'd like to see more of this, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to join one of the fastest growing gun communities out there. Enough talk, let's reveal the top 5 most durable handguns. The Beretta 92F is a pistol often lauded for being very lightweight due to its alloy frame. It ensures a robust construction, yet still provides excellent resistance to wear and tear. The handgun steel slide adds to its overall durability, allowing it to withstand continuous usage without compromising performance. Everyone knows how important maintenance is when it comes to how long a gun lasts. A properly maintained and well-stored gun will always last longer than one that isn't properly maintained or poorly stored. This pistol's open slide design ensures that you can easily clean and maintain it, resulting in a long-lasting firearm. Also, the Beretta's unique locking block system provides a tight barrel-to-slide fit, contributing to its accuracy and dependability in most situations. So you're getting a pistol that will show up and show up big for you when push comes to shove. As for the price of this pistol, depending on the model or version you choose, it typically costs around $500 to $900, which is very cheap for a handgun that's capable of serving you a lifetime of properly managed and maintained. We promised to tell you about the top 5 handguns with outstanding durability, and we've delivered on that. Before we call it a wrap, we'll add another handgun as a bonus, and the one we chose is the awesome Smith & Wesson 686 357 Magnum. Only a few pistols can boast true generational value. The CZ75 SP01 is a pistol you can pass on to your children because of its incredible durability. One factor that makes this pistol so durable is its cold hammer forged barrel. This cutting-edge manufacturing process is crucial to the pistol's outstanding performance. Cold hammer forging involves shaping the barrel through a series of precise hammer strikes while the metal is still in its cold state. The process enhances material strength, improves grain structure, and reduces residual stress, which results in a barrel that's more resistant to wear and tear, less prone to accuracy degradation, and even capable of withstanding extreme pressures. The SP01's cold hammer forged barrel provides consistent tight groups and reliable shot placement. It withstands thousands of rounds without compromising performance, resists corrosion and wear, ensuring reliable function, and is even less frequently cleaned and maintained. Also, with standard magazines holding 17 to 19 rounds, the SP01 offers a higher capacity than many other handguns, ensuring you have all the firepower that you need. If you like to purchase, it goes for around $600 to $900. At number 3 is the long-lasting and powerful FN57, a pistol designed to withstand even the harshest of conditions. Put this pistol where other pistols will jam on you and it will still fire up and deliver. The FN57 is a unique and reliable pistol offering several features that contribute to its durability, including the delayed blowback operation. The delayed blowback mechanism has proven reliable with strengthened slide and frame components in the MRD model. The MRD model's delayed blowback mechanism has established itself as a cornerstone of reliability thanks to its reinforced design. This innovative system ensures consistent performance even in demanding situations. The delayed blowback mechanism temporarily slows down the rearward motion of the slide, which then allows the pressure generated by the fired cartridge to dissipate. This controlled delay enables reduced recoil, minimized muzzle flip, and enhanced accuracy. The MRD's delayed blowback mechanism and its strengthened components set a new standard for reliability and performance. FN also states that the 5.7 has a service life of approximately 20,000 rounds, which indicates its longevity and reliability. This pistol should cost around $900 for you to purchase. The next one on this list is a revolver that's arguably the best one on the market and offers you the best value for your money, the Ruger GP100 357 Magnum. There are so many revolvers, but regarding durability, hands up for the Ruger GP100 and 357 Magnum. This is a reliable revolver that withstands the test of time thanks to its durable construction. The GP100's frame and cylinder are made from stainless steel, designed to withstand repeated firing and handling and protect against rust and damage from moisture. This ensures the GP100 remains reliable in harsh environments like extreme temperatures or humidity, is resistant to scratches and damage, is long-lasting, and maintains performance over time. The stainless steel construction is the foundation of the GP100's durability. With the Ruger GP100, you can trust your revolver will perform consistently shot after shot. The revolver's design is also built to handle heavy 357 Magnum loads while maintaining perfect functionality and accuracy. As for its price, you can get this pistol for around $600 to $800, but you can be sure you're getting a handgun for many years. First up on our list is the 6 Sauer P226, a handgun known for its perseverance and tough nature even in adverse conditions. Nothing beats it. For decades, the 6 Sauer P226 has been the gold standard for reliability and durability in the firearms industry. This iconic handgun has earned the trust of law enforcement, military personnel, and firearms lovers worldwide. But what makes the P226 so resilient, you ask? The answer lies in its all-metal frame, expertly crafted from a stainless steel slide that's resistant to corrosion and wear, and an anodized aluminum alloy frame that's lightweight yet incredibly strong. This robust design ensures the handgun can withstand heavy use and harsh environments and maintain long-term reliability. Because of 6 Sauer's commitment to producing firearms of elite quality, the P226 was forged using the finest materials available and skilled craftsmanship, which is one of the reasons you can bet on this pistol to give you a lot of years. The P226 has been in service for decades, which demonstrates consistent performance and longevity. So you know we're not just babbling, we're spitting facts. Just in case this is the one you want to go for, this handgun costs around $800 to $1,000 depending on your location or dealer. The Smith & Wesson 686 in 357 Magnum is a highly durable and reliable revolver. The 686 is an L-frame construction that ensures it has a strong and durable frame and barrel that can withstand continuous Magnum use. The double-action mechanism allows for smooth and consistent firing, contributing to the revolver's overall reliability and performance. Also, the 686 features adjustable sights, allowing you to fine-tune your aim for enhanced accuracy. It's available with either a 6 or 7 round cylinder and offers versatility and capacity to meet different user needs. It's definitely a handgun you should consider if you want a long-term gun. Although this handgun is slightly more expensive than the others on this list, costing around $1,000 to $1,200, for what it packs, it's worth every penny. Well, that wraps up our list of the top 5 handguns with outstanding durability. When it comes to durability, just remember that how a firearm is used is very important and determines its long-term durability. So, what do you think about these guns? Are they really the most durable handguns out there? Or do you think that there are others better than these? And now, we'd like to hear your thoughts about what you think about these handguns. If you enjoyed this video, encourage us by liking it. It motivates us to create more videos just like this. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family too. Until our next one, thanks a lot for watching.